to my channel. I'm Sheetal and first of all you must be wondering कि इतना makeup क्यों करके रखा है. Orange eyes, orange lips, big lashes. So basically I just got done shooting an Instagram video. I usually do makeup videos for my Instagram. So if you wanna know कि मैंने ये look कैसे create किया, then please go check out my Instagram and make sure to link my Instagram handle in the description box below. And also coming back to today's video. So whenever I used to watch videos on YouTube, I used to love watching these videos, what's in my bag videos. I generally found them very interesting and entertaining. So मैंने सोचा चलो हम भी कुछ ऐसा बना लेते हैं, because I usually carry a bag with me everywhere I go. And I have been carrying one single bag with me for a year. अगर आपने मेरे Instagram पे देखा और मेरे हाथ में कोई बैग दिखा तो एक ही बैग दिखता है, and that's the only bag I carry everywhere I go. So I thought chalo I'll show you what things I carry in my bag. So without any ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so this is the bag that I carry usually with me. I have been carrying this bag with me since past 1.5 years. I have not touched any other bag because I love this bag a lot. It is in a light gray color, like such a light. It looks pretty white, but it is a lightish shade of gray. Also, it has this metallic string kind of string. So it looks very classy and trendy. Also you can use it as a sling bag as well, but I prefer to use it like this, carry it like this. So yeah, this is the bag that I carry, usually carry with myself. Also don't go on the size of this bag guys, ये दिखती बहुत छोटी है but it accommodates a lot of my stuff. And this particular bag is by Forever Glam. I bought it from Pantaloons. Pantaloons have a section of bags by the brand called Forever Glam. So that's where I got this bag from. So yeah, let's see what I have in this bag. Again, don't go on the size of this bag. It accommodates a lot of stuff. I usually don't carry those tote bags because अभी तक मुझे ऐसी ज़रूरत नहीं लगी कि उतना सामान एवरी टाइम मैं लेकर जाऊँ कहीं पे भी. So this bag is perfect for me. It accommodates everything that I need on the go. So yeah, let's see what I have in this bag. Let's open it. This is how it opens. And you can see a lot of stuff in it. Okay, so let's dig in. The first thing and the foremost thing is a sanitizer. So it is a Yardley English Lavender hand sanitizer. You have to have a hand sanitizer everywhere you go, so this is the must. The next thing that I have in my bag is a empty lens case. So I usually wear lenses. So कभी-कभी irritation हो जाता है, dry eyes हो जाते हैं. So that's why lens case, I keep one lens case with me. So in case lens निकालने पड़े कहीं बाहर जाके तो that's why I have one lens case with me. Now the next thing that I have is a random clip. I have pretty long hair, so कभी-कभी मैं like बंद कर देती हूँ. So that's why I have a random hair clip in here. Another thing that I have is also hair related, is this cute rubber band in this cute lavender color. So I have this one. Okay, now the next thing that I have is again a hair related item. It is a छोटा compact comb. So ये मैंने किसी होटल से उठाया था and since then it is with me. It is very small and compact and easy to carry in bag, and like we can use it on the go. So that's why I have this one with me. So moving on to the next thing that I have is a perfume. So I love perfumes. I love having perfumes with me. I love carrying perfumes. I'm obsessed with fragrances. So that's why I carry a mini perfume with me. It is the Moi by Nykaa range, and this one is in the variant Vicious. So yeah, I love this perfume, and I always carry a mini perfume with me wherever I go. So this is what I have next. Okay, so moving on to the next thing that I have in my bag are these mints. So these are the Impact mints in the variant Strawberry. So these are sugar-free mints. I love these mints. I love the peach mints, peach variant in this as well. So yeah, I think it is very important for everyone to carry mints in their bag. So I keep these ones. Now let's move on to other part. Again, we have some hair stuff, a rubber band. I love these wired rubber bands. They are very good for a bun. So yeah, messy bun. So that's why I carry these. I love these rubber bands. So yeah. Another thing that I have in my bag is a lipstick. It is a Nykaa lipstick, Nykaa mini lipstick. So, and it is in the shade Madras Kapi. I love having lipsticks with me. I usually love nude lipsticks and I keep lipsticks with me. So, if I want to click some pictures on the go, so I can put on some lipstick and then click the pictures. So, yeah, I have one lipstick. The next thing that I have are my glasses. These are my glasses. So yeah, I love having glasses with me और कभी भी ज़रूरत पड़ सकती है. Also pictures के लिए भी काम आते हैं. So that's why I have glasses with me. Now moving on to the next thing, and the next thing that I have are my ear dopes. These are the Boat ear dopes and कभी यूज़ नहीं होते. मैं यूजुअली ईयरफोन्स या कुछ यूज़ नहीं करती घर पे. सो दीज आर इन माई बैग. कभी बाहर कहीं पे तो म्यूजिक सुनने का या कुछ भी सुनने का मन करे तो दैट्स वाई आई हैव माई एयरडोप्स इन दिस. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू दिस लिटिल कंपार्टमेंट, आई हैव some cash in it. Also, now moving on to a backside compartment, and in this I have only two things. So usually in this compartment I keep my phone, and this is the compartment I have all the things. So in this compartment I have one pen with me. So this is a very good habit. You must have a pen with you everywhere you go. So since a very long time I keep a pen with me in my purse every time. So yeah, this is the pen that I have. And we have one more lipstick in my bag, and it is the Sugar. I love this lipstick, hands down my most favorite lipstick. So it is the Sugar Matte as Hell Lip Crayon, and this one is in the shade 17 Brandy Harrington. So yeah, this lipstick is also there. So I have two nude lipsticks. Moving on to the last zip wala thing in my bag, zip wala pocket in my bag. So in this I have my cards. So Aadhaar card and my debit card. So yeah. So guys, my bag is now completely empty. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, give it a like. Also, let me know in the comment section below what things you carry in your daily bag. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. And hit the notification button so every time I post a video, you will get notified. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.